This is the waterfall right here in South India. This is on our way to the waterfall. The waterfall is right in between all these hills. Isn't it just gorgeous? Just gorgeous. Right here behind me is a waterfall called Kutralam Waterfall. It's actually normally it be really high than this, especially during the rainy season. Kutralam Waterfall is in a city called Tenkasi, city of Tenkasi in South India, just South India. This is a waterfall that we've been trying to get here all day. The traffic is a little bit high coming up the mountain, and you can see even at this time of night, it's approximately maybe 7 or 8 o'clock right now, between 7 and 8 o'clock p.m. right now, and you can still see a lot of people, tourists, still coming in and still trying to see the waterfall. So I just determined to come in here today to see, because we are on our way further south. This is South India, and this is waterfall that we came up here to come and see. I'm going to try to move closer to the waterfall. Maybe we can have a better view of the waterfall. I'm on a bridge now. We have two bridges that are cut across from the two what will I call it? It's a space that the waterfall go through. So there's a bridge and the water kind of runs underneath the bridges. So this is Kutralam waterfall in South India, and behind me is a market, a souvenir market. They are all over, and this is the market. This is the market where people are buying souvenirs. It's pretty for this time of the day. I think it's pretty busy for this time of the day. I'm gonna go up further to just see, to show more about this waterfall. This is the waterfall right here in South India. This is the waterfall. We kind of get here a little bit late. The distance from where we're coming from, and the traffic and all that. But finally, we are able to make it, and this is the waterfall. And usually, especially during the rainy season, it'll be more full than this. And you can see a lot of tourists still here having fun. Actually, I'm kind of surprised that we're going to have this many people here because it's kind of late now. It's around almost 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. Indian time. So, but we still have people here, and this is the waterfall right here at South India. So thank you for watching this. Thank you for joining me on the on my journey, on the adventurous journey. Again in the next video as I continue my adventure to the country of India and at least to the south, east, and west of India. Thank you, and I will upload another video uh, pretty soon as I could in the next possibly 24 hours. Thank you and have a wonderful day.